Hey guys, this is SJ and welcome to my YouTube channel SJ Tech Vlogs. So after the rumors of Samsung Galaxy A90, Samsung Galaxy A90 5G is expected to the most premium smartphone under the Galaxy A series this year. Its launch date is yet to be confirmed, but it seems it could be soon considering the frequency of rumors and leaks over the past few weeks. This week, a render of the Galaxy A90 5G was spotted on the internet, but the biggest leak yet has to be the images of the Galaxy A90 5G retail box that not only reveals the design of the smartphone but also provides its key specifications as well. The top of the box reveals the design of the Galaxy A90 5G, confirming that it will be coming with a water drop display. Additionally, it seems the phone will come with a stainless steel frame like the iPhone X to offer a premium look, which is a very good thing. The rear panel, which is almost likely glass, is in a white color option and sees a vertical triple camera setup. There's no fingerprint sensor on the back, so it's safe to assume an in-display fingerprint sensor will be offered. Some key specs of the Galaxy A90 5G are mentioned on the back of the retail box. The Galaxy A90 will sport a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. It is powered by an octa-core processor, but the name of the SoC has not been yet confirmed. Going by past rumors and considering this is a 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A90 is expected to be powered by a Snapdragon 855 SoC. This retail box mentions 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone may come in more variants, but it's hard to tell as of now. As for the cameras, the Galaxy A90 5G will offer a 48MP triple camera setup. The main camera will use a 48MP sensor. Although it is unclear if Samsung is using a Sony IMX586 sensor or its own 48MP GM1 sensor here. Additionally, the setup will include an 8MP and 5MP cameras as well, where one might be an ultra-wide angle lens and other a depth sensor. Up front, the Galaxy A90 5G will offer a 32MP selfie camera. The battery has not been mentioned, but the Galaxy A90 will support super fast charging up to 45 watts, just like the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The Galaxy A90 5G retail box leak is the biggest confirmation yet of the phone, and it suggests that the company is readying units for an imminent launch. The Galaxy A90 5G may launch in India as a non-5G version, but Samsung is yet to confirm anything.